In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Shopify store. This is a great way to streamline scheduling directly from your e-commerce platform, making it easier for your customers to book appointments with you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your meeting types. These are the various appointments or events that you've set up for people to schedule. Now find the specific meeting type you want to integrate into your Shopify store. To the right of this meeting type, you'll see 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your meeting. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Add to Website. This is where you can generate the necessary code to embed Calendly on your Shopify site. Clicking this will present you with several different ways to embed Calendly. For our purposes, we'll want to choose the inline embed option. This will allow the Calendly scheduler to appear directly on a page within your Shopify store, providing a seamless user experience for your visitors. Click Continue after selecting Inline Embed. You'll now see a snippet of code. This is the magic code that you'll be adding to your Shopify store. Click Copy to put this code on your clipboard. Now it's time to switch over to Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Online Store section. Here, you'll want to click on Themes and then Customize. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll need to decide where on your website you want the Calendly scheduler to appear. This could be on a dedicated booking page or somewhere else that makes sense for your store. Within the theme editor, click on Add section if you're creating a new area for this, or simply click into an existing section where you'd like the Calendly scheduler to be. Placed. You'll want to add a custom HTML section. This is where that code you copied from Calendly comes into play. Paste the code into the HTML field provided. After pasting, be sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly into your Shopify store. Now, visitors to your site can easily schedule appointments with you directly through the embedded Calendly scheduler. This integration not only enhances the user experience, but also helps you manage your appointments more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.